Today's class is the present perfect simple. Okay, the present perfect is created using have or has plus the past participle. Here we have the affirmative, negative and question forms. It's important to note that in the affirmative, have and has are contracted. I've played or he's played. In the negative, we contract have or has with not. So, you haven't played or she hasn't played. The rules. The present perfect is used to look back from the present to the past. It is an action that happened at an unspecified time before now, and the exact time is not important. I've seen this film before, or they've already eaten. Here, it's an activity in the past, but it connects to the present. If we want to say when, we use the past simple. I saw this film 2 years ago, or last week. We use unspecific time expressions such as ever, never, once, many times, several times, before, so far, already, or yet with the present perfect simple. The present perfect simple is often used with the adverbs for and since. When we use for, it's about a period of time or duration, and when we use since, it's about a point in time. We use the present perfect to show an activity in the past with the connection to the present, often with for or since. Here is your turn. I would like you to decide of which of these time phrases uses for or since. Please pause the slide and put in the correct answer. Okay. The present perfect simple is used with ever or never, and this is about experience, something you have done in your life up till now. So, for example, I have been to Spain 3 times, but we have never been to Japan. Or I could ask you, have you ever tried sushi? The rule here is we use the present perfect to show experience or in my life. There is no exact time, and often with the adverbs never or ever. Present perfect simple is used for unfinished actions at the time of speaking. I've had 5 cups of coffee today and it's only lunchtime. The rule here is that it's an unfinished action in unfinished time, usually with time expressions like today, this week, this morning, already, up till now. I may have another cup of coffee later. We also use the present perfect with just, yet, or already. So, for example, she has just spilt coffee on the carpet. This is an activity or action around now. He hasn't done his homework yet. This is an action that is to be done later and is only used with negatives and questions. They have already arrived. This is an action done before you expected. The rule is we use the present perfect to show an activity happening around now. There is no exact time. Okay, this is your turn. Please put in just, yet or already in these sentences. Pause the slide.